Welcome to week 3. By now you should have submitted your problem statement via Moodle. I'll communicate with everyone by email. I'll either approve it, make a few suggestions, or ask you to keep working on it. If you have not submitted it by now, it is essential you do so as soon as possible. Once you have your statement approved, it will give you a focus when you are reading and taking notes on the textbook and other resources. Once you have an approved problem statement, the remaining find and summarize assignments should directly relate to this statement. Hopefully some of your classmates' resources will relate as well. I have another story for you. My wife and I started our overseas career in Niamey, Niger, West Africa. The school provided us with a house that had a 7-foot high wall for security and privacy. In addition, the school provided us with a night guard. In a place where there are great differences between the haves and have-nots, you needed someone to look after your place. If you had a night guard, you generally did not have any issues with break-ins. If you did not have a guard, you could have problems. Our night guard was Seni. He was a gentle soul who took his work very seriously. He was the first Muslim person I met. One day, I helped Seni by taking some wood to his village for him. We got a chance to meet his wife, children, and the other villagers. His home was a small one-room hut with a thatched roof. His house was one of the best in the village because it had a concrete floor. For this country, working as a night guard in an American school was a good middle-class job. He probably made $200 a month. With this money, he not only took care of his family, but as one of the only employed people in the extended family, he also provided financial assistance to 10 other people. Seni did not speak English. We communicated mostly through French, which was never smooth as it was clearly the second language for both of us. I did take some lessons in Hausa, his native language. I wanted to show my respect for him by taking such good care of us. I learned a great deal from Seni. He had little money, not many clothes, but he was very dignified, always treating people with respect. He commanded respect from others through his actions. He was a role model for the other school employees. I learned about the devotion and true character of Islam through Seni. Family came first to him. His immediate family could have had a much better life if he kept the money he earned for himself, but he chose to take less so that others could have something. Moving on to this week's work. Imagine landing in a world where all you knew about a place is what you saw on TV or the movies. Imagine you did not know any of the social norms. Imagine you thought you spoke the same language as those who lived in this new world, but you cannot understand the natives. How would you go about learning the new social norms? How would you make friends? Go to school? This is what Peter Nwosu went through in his American Journey, one of our readings this week. The second reading is more formal, talking about the guiding principles of cultural proficiency. It is a great resource for helping schools and educators to go from viewing cultural differences as problematic to showing how to be successful with people who are different from themselves. Your written assignments this week are to send me your notes from Chapter 2 or 3 so I can make sure you're following the correct format and provide you feedback. Also, you will complete the application posting. Make sure you summarize the relevant key points from the readings and then connect them to your problem statement. Check the rubric and samples I posted at the top of the course page. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me by email or phone. Have a great week.